Okay, it is time for another action-packed roof flashing video. So here we go. Okay, I'm up on a flat roof right now. I'll call it a low slope roof. And on this side we got clay tiles. Typical broken ones, nothing out of the ordinary. The reason why I'm making this video today is not really about the roof materials. It's about the flashings and lack thereof. So I got up on my ladder over here and I was just kind of like, you know what? Maybe I'll just drone this roof because it's kind of high. So I got it to the edge here and I noticed this flashing sticking out of the roof. And I'm like, hey man, there's no pipe coming out of that. So I need to get up there and take a closer look. So I climbed up, risking it all. And sure enough, yeah, we got an open void in the roof here. How do I know? Well, my flashlight wants to go in. Would have really sucked if I dropped that in there, right? Anyway, this is a 2-inch hole in the roof. And then right next to it, we got all this patching because the knucklehead who put this flashing, see this rectangular shape right here? That's the metal flashing. That's this right here. They just mounted it right on top there. This is just the wrong flashing for this roof. This flashing is for a pitched roof, not a flat roof. So as you can see, this is all torn and this is leaking as well. So there's another hole in the roof here. That's 2 if you keep in count. I mean, these vent pipes here, that great, they ran new plumbing vents. That's awesome. However, they never sealed them. Water's gonna leak right into this attic. Same here. So far, we got 2 holes in the roof. And we got 2 flashings that are gonna leak. 2 penetrations that are gonna leak. Let's see what else we can find. And here's another shitty patch job with the wrong flashing. Once again, the wrong flashing for this application. That's another open seam. So that penetration's also gonna leak. And then we come over here. We got some more here. So another lack of flashing. And then we got an open seam here as well. And then I see this cast iron pipe over there. I'm like, what the hell? Okay, so is that just going to be the main plumbing vent? That's fine. But something tells me we're going to find a little more than that. Oh wait, look. There's another hole in the roof. Now you can see right into the attic. Boom. Here's another hole in the roof. This is going right into the attic, as you can see. I can see the insulation. I can see the framing. And what we got here? We got a abandoned pipe that has been left wide open that goes into the attic. Okay, so that is a 4-inch cast iron pipe right there. And that is a open void into the building. So let's do a head count. 1 4-inch opening in the roof, a 2-inch opening in the roof, a second 2-inch opening in the roof. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I'm thinking this has got to be some kind of record. I'm going to have to check the Guinness Book of World Records, but I think this is probably the worst flashing issue I've seen on a roof in a long time. This many open holes. Typically there's maybe 1, 2 maybe. This has like 4 actual holes in the roof, which means when it rains, it's going to get wet. So I got to really take a good look in those ceilings for moisture stains or anything like that, because I guarantee you there's going to be something going on in there. So get your home inspected, get the roof inspected, and call theauthority.com.